I will perform perineal care. First, technique for you. Thank you. One, two, three. Thank you. When the patient has stitches or cut wounds, we will use betadine. One. Mons pubis to the labia majora. Mons pubis to the labia minora. Mons pubis to the labia majora. Mons pubis to the labia minora. I will move the bedpan. We're going to do the penile care. Sir, can you do the bobat technique for me? Thank you. Okay. Ay, hawakan.
Wala kami ginagamit nila yung para may matapos kami, ang dami namin. Marami pa kayo wala? Marami pa kayo. Kami naman yung ano na lang, perineal at saka massage dressing. Marami na lang kami, tatlo na lang kami muna lang. Wala nang muna kayo sa video yan. Paano mo?
May baby na kayo?
Then we're done for the penile care. Ma'am, can you put up there? Thank you.
Alam ko na yung pambabayan, 773.
Thank you. Okay. So now I will do the diaphragm. Ma'am, I will assist you to move the diaphragm for you. The feet first. Then your knee for me, please. Thank you.
Isa lang yun. Isa lang yun. Initial rings. Initial rings. Initial rings.
I'm going to put the diaper for the and try hindi tayo basta pato driver.
Pato drain. Ito yung pato drain.
Alright.
Ganun din. Paano ang pato drain? Ganun din, sided. Or...
Hindi, ano lang, pato driver na.
Ganun.
Ganun na.